How would I define the culture here? I would call it fun, energetic, and to sum it all up, it'd probably be the one big word, call it a humming family. Hi, my name is Theodore Veraktaris. I'm the owner and chairman of the board here at the Usher Group. Usher Group is Australia's leading multi-service trade provider. Our primary service offering is painting. With that comes solid plastering, rendering. And during our growth, we obviously saw a need to expand those services into custom signage solutions and really niche custom access solutions. And then our maintenance arm. So we look after a lot of facilities, public buildings and the like.
When I started, there was 6 of us working out of Theo's garage in Broadbeach. So big difference from then to now. We've got around 450, close to 500 staff.
There was lots of things that were preventing our growth prior to implementing NetSuite. Obviously, when you have a group of companies and you've got multiple entities, it's really hard to get a really high-level snapshot or being able to dive into sub-segments and segments underneath that within your industry. For us, NetSuite was the only solution that offered us that type of visibility, and also integrated with other software that we had implemented here and we made ourselves, which is Paint Projects and our Usher Scheduler.
Paint Projects is our estimating tool. So basically we get a set of drawings from a client. In Paint Projects, we mark them up, which gives us a bill of quantity to quote, which we send to the client with our quote and markups. And then once we're successful at the job, we hit one and then all the data gets transferred over to NetSuite.
And we used to manually put all that data in, as opposed to now, in NetSuite, everything just gets pushed through and then we can see the data at its live state. Before, it was just manual spreadsheets we would keep up to date. So like now we can see all our bonds, all our retentions, accounts receivables, accounts payables, like everything is on there, profit and loss reports, cost to complete reports. Before, we were managing multiple spreadsheets on multiple different software. And then now we've just got it all in one central hub. Yeah. And I've been with the business 20 years and we've never had this visibility ever.
Working with Annexa has been all time. They've really helped drive the results that we wanted to achieve. Any time that I've asked them to come up with a report or a form, they typically think about it, come back and then go, all right, I've got a solution for you.
For us, it's greater visibility than we've ever had.
We know that growth is coming. So right now we've been bunkering down and now we're ready. And we wouldn't have been able to do that without NetSuite.